How to stay healthy on the road. This is what I'm bringing. A lot of plant-based protein powders, protein bars. You just need to be prepared. I'm gonna fill my pill case up with all my nightly supplements. Oregano, amazing for digestive health and super good for immune system. Super selenium, powerful antioxidant mineral combination with vitamin E. Next one we have zinc. There's not much it's not good for. It's a plant-based bone formula. It's a mineral source from algae. Speaking of bone strength, a little bit's in there, but I usually get a little bit more. D. Garlic is amazing for your cardiovascular health and immune system. Black seed oil, you name an organ system, this is good for it. And speaking of digestion, you can't go without probiotics. Insanely good for immune support and digestion as well. So this is where I live. Somewhere in the middle of getting enough protein to look as cool as possible like a bodybuilder and be as internally as healthy as possible. Balance! Gone away for 3 whole weeks. I'm gonna finish packing now, so I will see y'all in LA. About staying healthy on the go. Got some blueberries to hold me over until my protein smoothie's being made. Stars. Got my smoothie.
Okay, that's 12.
Alright, on a scale of 1 to 10, how hard was that? Alright, now you're up. 2 plates. Believe in yourself. Get under that thing.
I'm so concerned for my safety.
So, today's episode of Rating People's Cabinet, this is good stuff. Chia seeds, spirulina, veggie protein, flaxseed, and peanut butter. This, not so much. Yep, and then, oh my goodness. Oh, so she, all right, see in the fridge.
Oh yeah.
A low calorie soda, all the veggies. She's doing it right.
Yeah.
That's insane. Green shoots. Cheers. We're baking macaroons, right?
Macarons!
Gosh.
Almond flour, very good stuff. I'm very proud of this.
Lots and lots of sugar.
Well, you have to have all the sugar, but like as long as the flour's almond, it's good. We're gonna sip on. This is why I come prepared, right here. Because I was like, yo, I need some caffeine, and guess what? I brought it. I forgot that I brought it. So I forgot I filmed it, but to your eyes, it was like 3 minutes ago, because this video is not that long already. So like, I packed this 3 minutes ago, and I forgot it was here. It's been 2 days. A lot has happened in 2 days.
I'm boiling the water. We're making tea.
It's upside down. That's coffee, but thanks.
Coffee.
You have a shaker cup?
The blender bottle?
Yes.
I actually don't. Ooh. I have this.
Hey.
That is exactly what I need. You do have it.
Yeah. It's just these two don't go together.
Oh.
Because I had the actual blender bottle, but I kept leaving protein powder in it, and it just kept smelling awful.
So now that I'm in LA, we're bougie, so we're getting the good water. Just kidding. This is the water you need to get. The one that's pink and organic and good. Lots of minerals. Now we also got one for her too.
You convinced
Magic.
me. Influencer things.
I'm a
You've been influenced.
Dare you tell me I'm an influencer?
Oh, yeah. I need to go to the corner and think about what I did. Yelling random things at me. It's fine.
And how many subs do you have? Subtle flex. She's got 1.2 million followers on YouTube.
I don't have a camera.
This is her camera. I just now upgraded. This is it. It's officially about to be the first day at VidCon. We're about to go to Whole Foods to get my final little snacks for the road, I guess, because it's about an hour drive from where we are. Isn't LA just beautiful?
It's so sunny all the time.
All the time.
But it's not like too hot. Like at home in North Carolina, it's like 100 degrees.
But 100 degrees and muggy.
Yeah, that's the worst. Cannolis!
Okay, kids. Berries. Berries and cream. No cream, no. Start to find Rebecca's cannoli. Excuse me, fine gentlemen. Do you have cannolis? Cannolis, over here.
Oh, no, they're small. You don't have the big ones? There's a small one.
Rebecca doesn't like them.
Oh.
Do you have any money? One of my favorite restaurants in LA. We're on the West Coast. This is our friends.
You made it!
We did. We're alive. Ooh. Shots for everyone.
Thank you.
You are all so brave. I think there's like ginger and turmeric and then oregano oil. So
Oregano oil?
cheers to good health. Okay.
And we're doing it. You better join.
Oh, that's yummy.
So good.
It hurts so good. So we're here at my gracious host, Ben Brainerd, and we are going to do a little grocery haul. I mean, you know, I did the grocery haul, and I'm going to show you what I got because I do healthy things, and this is what you should also do. So we're gonna be all over the place in the next 5 days, and I got just a bunch of quick, easy, ready-made protein options that I can just have anywhere in the car and have my breath smell really good to meet all the new people. Hopefully there's a producer there so I can just eat right in front of them and talk, you know? Because that makes good impressions. Calorie-free soda just because I like having things to suck on. Oh my god, okay, all right, I'm actually excited about this. They have organic plums, peaches, and like all that. It's just amazing out here. And then more protein sources. Yo, no oil popcorn. Like the calories on popcorn when it doesn't have anything is wild. It's a low calorie dense food, so that means you fill up without excess calories. So if you're trying to lose weight, popcorn.
God damn.
Oh, ready-made protein shakes just in case I don't even feel like shaking something. More greens juice and then this sparkling water. So it's literally a sparkling water with probiotics in it with like virtually no calories. So I do that and it tastes quite good. I've been using his hand soap as shower stuff because I didn't go to the store, so I went to get a little bit of that.
You also didn't ask if I just had shower stuff.
I didn't ask at all. He's not wrong.
I do have shower stuff, by the way.
Bye.
Stop throwing things at me!
All right, so when we're choosing for creators what to eat healthy, we're at this amazing place that has all these options. So one of the things I like, ramen always has some good healthy options. Like I would definitely do a vegan base, and then I would get a protein choice and double it, and then make sure there's a lot of veggies in there. That's literally how to make it well, you know? And then sometimes you can put the bamboo shoots in there and like make it thicker, fill your belly with more vegetables so you're not eating as much noodles. Okay, so real quick, I've been super busy and this is why there's so much going on. What's up? Listen, look, there's tons of food. I'm gonna overlay clips of the food that I've shown so far real quick, Peyton. There's just so much food that has been not available for me to eat, just all the foods that I don't. And you can do the same thing. Just bring stuff. Just bring the stuff. Protein bars, you know what I mean? You can do it. You know the things. Just do it. Say hey to my one subscriber on YouTube, everyone.
Hi, George! Hey, George, what are you wearing?
He doesn't like to talk about that. Wait, so everybody's actually coming to a healthy restaurant with me. I did it. Yeah, I did it. More VidCon shenanigans. Yes. We're over here with Ty G and Wifey. And we eating good over here. Salmon and veggies. Yes. Salmon and great veggies. You know how it is.
Calamari.
Well, I mean, yeah.
Calamari.
I see some food, bro.
Let's go check.
We about to grow?
They got my man with the cool hair.
Thank you.
Some veggies. That's not too bad.
Okay.
More veggies.
Oh, they got a burger.
They got some options. They got some options.
They definitely with the lemons.
With the vitamin C.
They got the iced tea.
You know. I can't have this though.
No type of Coke, if you know what I mean.
You're too young to even know that reference. So for health purposes, Emily, how do you pronounce your last name? Zugay did an amazing job picking healthy things, organic popcorn, veggies, and 0-calorie soda.
choices,
That's why she does.
well.
So it's the end of VidCon day 3. We are wrapping it up. It's super late. We just did an Amazon party. And for health, I had a bunch of protein bars today and some good vegan breakfast, like a smoothie, greens, and we're finishing off with salmon, coconut water, and some organic chickpea things. We're gonna eat and wrap it up. See you tomorrow.
First workout after VidCon. I'm tired and I can barely think right now of all the things that we did, so this is crazy. We're gonna see if we can get some energy with all the things that we have. It's fun. Let's see if I wake up in 30 minutes. All right, 1, 2, 3, ready? Just kidding. First thing is like beet, juice, and some good blood flow stimulation. No caffeine though. Creatine. Now I have no energy whatsoever. Caffeine for you. You get caffeine. Oh, you want some more? You can have some more too. Oh, that's the wrong lid. Ooh, lots and lots of electrolytes. Ooh, lots of mineral. Well, which one's yours? That one's mine. So this is gonna be a little bit more caffeine because I am definitely just not feeling it. This is another little free there. Some amino acids. And then some more amino acids. Okay. Some more to pump.
Pump it louder.
You should remain the camera girl and the cameraman only. Alright, cheers. Let's get yoked.
Cheers.
Boomerang.
Boomerang.
This is YouTube. We can't do a boomerang. Hold on, this is what y'all women look like when you boomerang.
Why? What are you training today?
I don't know. I think I'm gonna do a push day, but a leg and I think I'm gonna do a push day, an upper body and a lower body push day. So that's like quads, leg extensions, and then some chest and some military press, just to get a total stimulation going. Because I have not done anything lately. So cheers, let's drink. And as always, respect yourself.